Israeli forces unleashed airstrikes and engaged in intense skirmishes in southern Gaza on Tuesday, following a widespread evacuation order that affected an estimated 250,000 Palestinians. The decision has caused scenes of devastation and despair, particularly impacting regions east of Khan Yunis and Rafah along the borders with Egypt and Israel. Eyewitnesses vividly recounted horror scenes of heavy bombing and shelling in and around Khan Yunis, resulting in many deaths and injuries. UNRWA, the wing of the UN organization that provides assistance to Palestinian refugees, emphasized the significant consequences of the evacuation order, stating that almost 250,000 people had been impacted. Louis Waterage, speaking on behalf of UNRWA, highlighted the suffering endured by families forced to flee their homes due to continuous hostilities, many for the second time in recent months. This worsening of the humanitarian situation in southern Gaza raises more questions regarding civilian safety in the face of continuous military activity and the availability of life-saving assistance. The intensifying hostilities and impasse in ceasefire talks have exacerbated the humanitarian situation in Gaza. With more than hundreds of people uprooted, primarily from Rafah in the wake of early evacuation orders and military operations throughout Gaza, concerns about an impending and widespread Israeli military attack loom large. This intensification has further stretched humanitarian efforts by aggravating the closure of vital aid routes, making relief operations increasingly challenging. Amidst relentless assault, Gaza's civilian population remains in severe peril, underscoring the critical need for international intervention to alleviate the worsening humanitarian crisis. The UNRWA spokesperson emphasized that there is now no discernible safe refuge for civilians in Gaza, highlighting the dire situation faced by civilians during the prolonged fighting.